Customers call their most expensive items critical spares because they can't be without them. Can you imagine a large company being down for a short period of time for a small priced item? The idea is that we come in and manage the customer's inventory on site for them. Time is money. The products that they're using continually on a daily basis, we're there to help them take care of it, replenish, refill, have it in place when they need it and ready to use it. So to have the parts where they can go up and say, hey, here's the part, I can take it off the shelf, get the repair, they're back up online. I go into a customer, I'll scan a smattering of product that they need based on their mins and maxes. Each customer has their own product file where we'll load up the types of products, the mins and max, and the system has it all in place. So when I go in, all I have to do is through the app, scan, create the order, and I can have it sent off and back to our store within minutes. And then next week I'll come back, fill that product, and then do it again for any holes that have come up during that week while I was gone. I scan when I deliver so that they have a date and time stamp and a picture, and that's where you kind of really get to be in unison with the customer. They see you watching out for them. Once you develop that relationship, you're as much as the team as a lot of their employees. It just makes it so much faster and cleaner for the customer when we can set something up like this. It is just one of the aspects we do in taking care of the customer.